Living in a small space doesn't mean living with clutter. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple but powerful tricks to help you organize even the tiniest room and make it feel open, clean, and calm. Go vertical. When you're short on space, think up, not out. Use tall shelves, wall-mounted racks, and vertical storage units to free up your floors. The higher you go, the more space you save. And bonus, it instantly makes your home feel taller and more organized. Use double-duty furniture. Choose furniture that works harder for you. Beds with drawers, ottomans with hidden storage, coffee tables that open up. The goal? Make every piece of furniture do 2 jobs, save space and store your stuff. Stick to clear containers. Want a fast way to stay organized? Use clear bins so you can see everything at a glance. Label them. Stack them. Store them under your bed, in your closet, or on a shelf. No more digging, no more mess, no more guesswork. Declutter often and fast. Small spaces get messy, fast. The secret? Declutter in short bursts. If you haven't used it in months, it's probably time to let it go. Keep only what you love or use, and ditch the rest. Create mini zones. Even a single room can have zones, a reading nook, a mini workspace, a coffee corner. When everything has a place and a purpose, your space feels bigger and your mind feels clearer. You don't need a bigger home, just smarter habits. Try these 5 tricks and feel the difference in your space, your mood, and your daily life. Subscribe for more real home solutions, one simple idea at a time.